स्टूडेंट्स अब हम चलते हैं चूज द करेक्ट आंसर की तरफ। तो देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट आपके ऑप्शंस क्या हैं। 1. द नेशनल असेंबली इज इलेक्टेड फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ डैश ईयर्स। 6, 5, 4. So the correct answer is 5. Number 2. Lower age limit for a candidate contesting Senate elections is the years 30, 35 or 25. So the correct answer is 35. Number 3. Senate and National Assembly put together are called dash Parliament, Supreme Court, Executive. So the correct answer is Parliament. The Prime Minister is bound to select at least of the members of his cabinet from the Senate. 1/4, 1/3 or 1.2. So the correct answer is 1/3. Number 5. A union council should consist of at least dash. The correct answer is 21. So student, इस तरह आपके choose the correct answers ख़त्म होता है. Now let's move towards the true and false option.